Welcome back, Bitcoins in pajamas, back at it again. Now, BTC looking very interesting. My bet is that we are moving down from this point. So if we look at this silver trend line that I've put on the screen, we've hit this line once, twice, three times. Once you hit a line three times, it can start to gain a lot of validity for being an actual trend line. So we'd put it in here. And then once again, we hit here 4 times, 5 times, popped up 6 times. We're coming in for a 7th time. So this is a lot of resistance. It's squashing us down here. So if we're playing probabilities and chances, which is what trading is, it's just a probability. If you go with the probabilities and you have a trading plan, then most likely you're going to come out on top. If you go against the probability, then most likely you're to come out on the bottom. You can't get it right every time. There's a lot of energy, downward energy, pushing down from here. We've also got the 188 moving average squashing the 88 moving average. So once the white line raises above the red line, there's this downward pressure, pushing. So we've got a lot of downward pressure. Now there's a huge support line around 5,800. If we break that, a lot of stop losses are going to be around here and we'll probably shoot down. Now we might shoot quite low. It'll most likely be a quick sort of put in a bottom, like right down to the bottom. We don't know where it'll go. 5,000, 4,000, 3,000, 2,000, it'll probably shoot down quite quickly. And so what my prediction is, we're going to bounce off this line, we're going to come down, we're probably going to break that major support, head down to, let's just say 4,000 or something, and then it'll be caught there, and that will be around the bottom. And from there, we can start moving up. There'll be a lot of longs coming in there, a lot of long-term buyers for BTC holders coming in around that mark if it gets squashed down to there. So I wouldn't be buying now because most likely the probability is saying we're turning around. Yes, we could break through, we can pop through, if we pop through the 8,000, for example, come back, support along here for a bit, then we'd be actually looking at, wow, this could actually be a bull market. So better to almost, I'll be selling a little bit around here, because if it does come up here, well, I can always buy back in around 8,000. That's okay. What's that? Maybe 10% or something loss compared to if I held. There's also a huge chance that we pull back from 7,300 all the way down to, say, 4,300 or, 3,300 or whatever it is. That's like 100% sort of saving on your money. If we're going from, say, 3,300, we've got to go 100% up to get back to 6,600, which isn't even here. So playing the probabilities, it's not looking very bullish. There's not a huge amount of positivity in the market. There's not a huge amount of volume coming in. So most likely we're bouncing off this chart. But we shall see how we go.